Inside, we have a smart Wi-Fi switch, and like any light switch, it must be installed by an electrician. Again, like any light switch, it's one touch on, one touch off, but because it's smart, I have the option of programming different states, like movie night, sleep, or party time. With the help of Google or Alexa, I can also tell the lights what to do. And because I have remote connectivity with the switch, I can connect from other places, when I'm arriving home, from the other side of the city, and from the other side of the world. It's like I'm home when I'm not. And here's the kicker. The smart Wi-Fi switch will control your dumb lights. So it's a really cost-effective way of smartifying your home. And that means you'll be saving money, and that is smart in anyone's book.